commit, lock and config lock. We can go to this part. A license registration activation of firewall is very basic, and but you should be aware about it, how we can do it or not. Well, I'll just show you. It is just theoretical part. Nobody is going to ask you to activate the firewall. It is all up to the sales team. They will be doing all this, and then they will give you the firewall with all the activation. Everything will be there. You will be any which ways you will be installing license, but activation part they will be doing it from their side. They will be going to the portal.
But we have to put it on the Palo Alto server, right? Or the Palo Alto
Yes,
box?
yes, that we will be doing. That this is not the part. What they will be doing is they will be creating account for your company, right? We will not be creating account for our company to the Palo Alto vendor, right? For our company, not for ourselves. It is this is different between for employee and vendor. Your company is a vendor for Palo Alto.
Yes.
So
So what's the
they will,
difference? Can you say again?
yeah, you also have to create your account along with your vendor account. I mean, your vendor account will be created by a salesperson. So they'll come up stating that you are now the partner for Palo Alto.
Okay.
Yeah. Now you are.
Oh, so and then, but I need that in order to create my account.
No, it will not be there. You have to create yourself.
But
You
then I
have to
have to
create.
have like something like in the company
No.
account
The
name or
account.
something.
Yeah, you will be a part of your, if you are working for a particular company, that is already a vendor of Palo Alto. So you are already a part of that Palo Alto. But the thing is, you have to register your name, your employee, your email ID to the Palo Alto portal, so that if needed, you can ask for the help. Right?
Okay.
Suppose you have.
Yes. I'm with you. Yes. So, but I was talking about like, okay, you create an account, but for them to know that you are part of this organization, you have to provide something, right? Either you have organization name or
Yeah,
account number.
yeah, right. Your email
Okay.
ID is ending with
Or,
domain name or your organization domain name.
okay. Maybe that's good enough to know that. Okay. I didn't know that. Okay.
So now we are going to register the device. Suppose license you are going to register. You will be registering the license going to the support portal. You suppose you are a salesperson for Palo Alto vendor. So you are going to register the device first time with the portal. So you only purchase the device. Nobody will give you anything except the device. So you only have to, you are the one only as a salesperson or as a user vendor, you are the only one who is going to register with the support portal. So you will register your device to the Palo Alto portal first,
Okay.
so that they will know that your device has been registered with us. And now we are good to provide you support. Right now your
Okay.
device is registered. So now after your device is registered, they will also provide you the licenses for that device, because licenses cannot be same for each device. They will be different for each device. So
Okay.
once your device
So
will be registered,
that's
license will be generated. License will be there for your device. You need to download the licenses from portal,
okay. Okay.
right?
So
Which you have purchased.
and to register your device, that's based on its like serial number or something? What do you
Yes.
need? Okay.
Yes. Model, serial number, everything.
Okay, got it.
I'll show you below if we have. I also have added the links from Palo Alto already. So you can once go and go through it. I would suggest you to go through it once, just to have knowledge of device activation and registration. But any which ways, most of the time it is being done by the vendor salesperson, but sometimes you are the one who is managing everything from Palo Alto, so you have to do it. You are also the salesperson along with the implementation part. So you might have seen somewhere that only the person we have from Palo Alto is also doing sales for the device. I mean, from our team sales part. So they are managing the requirement, they are managing everything. So you might have seen somewhere. Once device is registered, go to asset device and download the licenses. So once you will register your device will be listed here in the assets in the Palo Alto portal. So once you will click on asset, you license whatever the license you purchase will be available for your device.
Okay.
Right? So you will have a mail from support site once you purchase the firewall. So you will have a lot of things there in the mail chain. See, this is the customer support portal, right? So here you will create my account, and then your email ID, everything you will be doing. Select the serial number, register device using serial number authorization code, and click complete the registration form. Registration form will look like a big form where you will see everything. See, right? So it is a big form. So after doing all this, register your firewall. It is just an activation part. You just checked. This is registered a firewall. For registration, also you need to click here, register the firewall by check login to this. After having all the activation user ID and everything, you can go to support homepage and then click register the device. After registering the device, you will have select a device. You need to select your device. There will be a lot of device in the Palo Alto support portal. Once you select your device, you will have version option now. Serial number, you will have serial number of your device. You can select that and copy paste from the firewall dashboard. It is very simple that you just need to go and device information you will be putting here. Serial number. You can see, right?
Yeah.
Serial number, device name, device tag. You will be putting everything here from the box itself because you have already purchased. Right? You will get a box. You will have everything over there.
Okay.
Location information. What is your location? So that if you will need a help, somebody can visit. So firewalls with line cards. So it is just a sample day one performance configuration we have already discussed. So day one performance, what will be configuring, we have discussed already, right?
Yes.
So whatever the configuration we have, the PNOS version, serial number you have checked. After login to the device management, also DSCP, we have checked the configuration, how will be configuring that, right? So static IP DSCP, either you need to select a static or IPv4 mask subnet mask default gateway. This have already gone through. We already gone through all this. So generate config file. So this is something which will be there. This part is something which will be there in the portal. So you can download from there or you can do it from yourself.
Okay.
Right? So nothing else. You have already gone through this. So if you want to download it, if you want to download this configuration part from the portal, day one configuration, you can download it and you can import it. You have downloaded in your local PC and you can import it directly. Your efforts will be saved. See, import and configuration snapshot. You can configure, do it from here. Configuration management, you can download the day one configuration right here. Right, this was the activation and registration of firewall. So I don't have that kind of visibility to show you, but I can show you where we need to install the license keys and everything. Let me go to the firewall. You can see devices, licenses, right? So you have this option, license management. So retrieve license key from license server. So it is something which we need to configure. We need to have a license server, external license server. From there, we can directly import the license, retrieve the license. See, it will ask for license server, Palo Alto network license server. So we don't have that. It will be retrieving license automatically. Activate features using authorization code. You have authorization code, you can activate feature using your right. That will be there in the mail chain. Manually upload license key. You will be downloading it from the portal and then uploading it manually. Deactivate VM, upgrade VM capacity. This is for VMs only. This will not be available in your hardware firewall. These two options. On the hardware firewall will contain only these three options. Right?
Okay.
So these two will not be available because we will be using hardware firewall. Good, we are good, right?
Yeah.
So nothing else. I can show you. Let's show support. Not visible because it is not licensed. Once,
That's okay.
yep,
When we see my environment, you can
yep,
show
that's
me.
true. That's true. We
Yeah.
will be going through a lot of things. So we are good till license and registration, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Account activation. So account activation. I think it will be for you. I mean, from your device, we can
It's
go
like
through
when you
it.
activate the account and stuff like that.
Yeah, yeah.
That stuff is done only the first time you set up Palo Alto, right?
No, no. This is with lengthy process. Suppose you want to create locally. You want to create admins locally. So I
Mm-hmm.
have only one admin, which is me, right?
Mm-hmm.
Admin, and I have all the admin rights, super user rights. So super user means
Mm-hmm.
the one who can do anything with the firewall,
Mm-hmm.
any configuration modification for every part. Suppose object network policies monitor, I can do changes everywhere. Anything I can do. If I go to add somewhere, suppose I'm going to create one other. So I created this user authentication profile. I do not have anything. I can just keep in none. Password I can create 123.
Mm-hmm.
See, do not have this configured yet. I'll keep it same. I'll just want to give super user admin. I can just want to give super user admin who can read everything but cannot write.
Mm-hmm.
I can give device administrator who can only access the device part. I mean those who cannot configure and commit everything. I'll just give the device administrator. I mean who cannot make super users, who cannot create users, admins, everything, right? Super
Mm-hmm.
user can create admins, administrators, but device administrator cannot
Oh,
create administrators,
okay.
who cannot
Got it.
provide access. And device
Mm-hmm.
administrator read only means you can just read everything only,
Mm-hmm.
right? Suppose I'm giving you as a super user read only. You cannot make changes. Let me just, this is user. I'll put this is password. Let me just log out.
Mm-hmm.
I did it. I commit.
Mm-hmm.
Preview changes. Now what I'm doing is I'm doing this. I just added this Farana, right? I did not
Mm-hmm.
modify anything. I just added. I'm not going to delete anything. So
Mm-hmm.
let me just commit this part. Commit. It will not commit because I did not selected anything. No changes to commit. This auto commit, I think active is there. Auto commit is active there. Let me just see revert changes. Rana will be removed. No pending revert. So I think it has committed, and there is a auto commit option is there, which has showing committed. Let me just log out and check it is working or not. Auto commit, I'll show you where it is there. So this is and 1, 2, 3. Invalid user. Why I just saying so? Either it is logged out. See, here it is getting logged in
Mm-hmm.
using your name. I'll show you. I'll show you in the dashboard. Yeah, it is back. See, you can see here logged in admins for Ana from this IP.
Yeah.
And this is for BAP. I, as an admin, logged into CLI. I just did it from in front of you, right? 35 seconds ago. And for Ana from BAP, 0, 0. You can see it. Idle for 0. I'm here in the GUI and using your name. So this is what I can do. And I do not have commit access for you, right? I mean, for your name. Let me just do some commit.
It will show there too.
See, I cannot click on add. See, all are grayed out for me. You can see it, right? Let me go to create an object address. See, grayed out for me. You can see it, right? It is grayed out for me. Everything is grayed out. So I only have read only, but I can access everything. As a super user admin, read only access.
Okay. I think that's what I have now for my company, maybe.
Yeah.
Because I only have read only.
Okay. So device administration, we'll see it once we start doing. Yeah. So we'll see it. I mean, you might have device administrator access as a read only. Okay. So I'll just stop. I can stop for today and start from tomorrow. What we'll be learning, we can discuss. Today is